I'm curious to see how pigmented these are when they actually come out. And if I remember online, this was like $5.50. This was like $5.50. It was on sale. Actually, that's another thing about the website that I thought was absolutely crazy. Almost every single item was on sale in one way, shape, or form. And it was like not a little bit on sale, it was like a lot of bit on sale. Some of these items were like 70% off, which from what I've heard, they are absolutely amazing products. So I'm super confused as if to why they're so amazing, why they're so cheap, and why they're so discounted.